Hello folks, welcome to my channel again. I'm on the train to one of the biggest and the busiest airports in Southeast Asia, Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok, Thailand. Today I'm flying to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam with the Vietnamese flag carrier Vietnam Airlines on their Airbus A321 in economy class. Suvarnabhumi Airport is very easy to get to, with the airport rolling, starts from Phaya Thai and takes about 25 minutes. The departure is on the 4th floor, so it may take quite long to get there from the BTS station if you're not taking the lift. It's actually a very big, but nice and modern airport compared to the old man airport Dong Mun International, which is used for low-cost airlines at the moment. Check-in today is very smooth and quick, as there are just a very short line of passengers at the check-in counters. I am wondering where are all the passengers, as I think this row is actually a quite busy flight row in Southeast Asia. Airside here at Suvarnabhumi Airport is very beautiful, especially with this statue depicts the journey of the ocean of milk, Samudra Mantana. The airport looks quite busy with lots of shops. I'm heading to the Miracle First Class Lounge with Priority Pass. The lounge lies on the whole of the D gate, which is absolutely convenient as the gate of my flight is gate D8. At the beginning, I don't have any expectations after seeing a sign which states that there's a construction inside the lounge which may cause some inconveniences, but the quiet sitting area actually is not affected at all and looks very pleasant. The dining area is where you get the food and drinks is very loud due to the construction. The lounge also has shower rooms for you to get fresh. Beverage choices are great, but food choices are somehow limited. There are some kinds of sandwiches and bread, a fresh salad and fruit bar, and some hot meals like chicken sausages, scrambled egg, stir-fried vegetables, and fried rice. In the quiet sitting area, there's also sandwiches counter so that you don't have to go that far to the dining area. To be honest, the lounge is okay, but its name Miracle First Class Lounge doesn't reflect its quality actually. After spending about 2 hours in the lounge, I make my way to the gate and be ready for my flight. This is our aircraft today, an Airbus A321, Victor November Hotel Victor November, 13 years old and mostly used for short-haul flights. This Airbus has 16 seats in business class with a 2-2 config and 168 seats in economy class with a 3-3 config. My seat today is a middle seat, 36B. The color of the seats inside is really nice, as same as the livery color of the airline. I've heard that a lot of geeks may think that Vietnam Airlines actually has one of the most beautiful and unique liveries among the airlines. I don't doubt it at all. It's true. The textile of the seat looks beautiful. The seat offers such a spacious legroom for me, so stretching the legs can't be easier. The seat has a storage basket and a very sturdy tray table. The seat can be reclined a bit with a small angle. Of course, there's no IFE screen, but a radio is in place, which is quite rare. The airline doesn't offer earphones, so I guess you have to bring your personal headphone with a 3.5 jack cable if you want to use the radio. Fresh towel is handed out by the crew, which is a very nice gesture. You cannot see this in all European short or medium haul flights unless you're business class. Very impressive. Takeoff is very on time at 11:20. The loo has some comfort inside for a great smell. Otherwise, it's very basic but quite clean for convenience use. Even it's just about 1 hour and 20-minute flight, but Vietnam Airlines offers sandwich and fruits as complimentary snack on board. It definitely beats the service of all European airlines in terms of short haul flights. The crew also offers tea or coffee during the flight, and I end up choosing tea with a slice of lime. Vietnam Airlines offers Wi-Fi on board for the passengers to get access to the entertainment site. There's not much to offer in such a short flight like this one. There are like 5 or 6 movies, a few TV shows and some songs or podcasts. There's also a nice and modern interactive flight map, which is absolutely interesting. Finally, we start our descent into Tân Sơn Nhất International Airport in Ho Chi Minh City. Personally, this is a decent flight for me. I have a nice and comfortable seat. The crew definitely shows their friendliness and great hospitality, which the Vietnamese people are always known for. Service is great, snack is not that wow, but that's more than enough for just a 1 hour and 20-minute flight. I think Vietnam Airlines is trying to be a true star to compete with other famous airlines in the area like Thai Airways or Singapore Airlines. And they are going on the right path. Hope to see their big growth in the near future. I've heard that they've just opened the new route to Munich, Germany, and are planning on choosing Milan, Italy as the new destination. I would love to try their long-haul flight to Munich or Frankfurt on a Boeing 787-9. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one. Goodbye.